sorry. This time I'm gonna to teach you a new technique. This is called the double hitter tall high slider technique. Here first we build the normal domino line. And then we take 2 dominoes, and then after we put 3, and then at these 2 we are going to keep here one line. We can build tower whatever we want here. It doesn't mean we have to only build this. We can build whatever we want. And after that we keep a domino here, and then we build whatever we want. And after it, and here one domino will be left there. You are going to keep a domino, and then you can again go and do this again, same one. And after that you can do again 1, 2, 3, and these 2 go in here and touch something and do whatever they want. And after that this can go again and again do it. Thank you.